So I just finished school. I'm trying not to get into a car accident right now. I'm headed over to this person's house to cut their hair. I don't always drive to people, but well, I feel like actually the majority of the time I do drive to people. So we start at 8:30, we get a morning break, we get a lunch break, we get an afternoon break. Everything is on Zoom and we use stuff that our teachers have provided for us in our disposable kit that we pick up at the beginning of the semester and then also in the middle of the semester. So today was really good. It was just drilling and I took some time-lapse videos. In today's class, we were working on our chemical portion of the license test and our teacher would time us, make sure we were doing things correctly, and just drilling. It was very fun. We also have to take pictures throughout class to upload just so that our teacher can see that we're doing things correctly. For example, our table setup, how we're parting the mannequin different ways, stuff like that. My more favorite days of class are on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Seniors, at my school at least, don't have school on Friday, which is like, I just finished the haircut and I was gonna take a before and after picture, but I forgot to take a before picture. And then I was like, what's the point of taking an after picture if there's no before picture? I'm gonna drive home, eat some dinner, and then work out with my brother. My mom made spaghetti squash. Oh, it's dropping. Spaghetti squash is so underrated. It's pretty good when you think about it. Let's see if it's good. That's not good, actually. Okay, grossest spaghetti squash I've ever had. It really tastes not good. It tastes really bad. I'm putting some of this on it. I'm putting kind of a lot. Oh. Wow, that was amazing what that just did. It's almost bedtime. After my workout, I took a shower. I didn't wash my hair, obviously, because it's in the same braids. I'll try to be in bed by 11, and then my alarm is always set for 8:30. Good morning. Good morning. I woke up 2 minutes before my alarm, and yesterday I woke up 2 minutes before my alarm. That's pretty crazy. When we're in real life, we have to wear like all black, blah, blah, blah. We have like a dress code. Online, we don't really have a dress code. They're just like, be dressed pretty much. So today is day 2 of my salon licensure prep course. My class this semester and last semester is so small. I'm one of like 8 people or something like that. It's like a very, very tiny class. It helps us just to go through things a lot quicker. Normally we'd clock in using a fingerprint, but obviously because we are online, we can't really do that. So every morning we scan in to clock in and also scan again when we're clocking out. Good news for us, somebody in my class has a birthday today, so our teacher is being extremely easy on us. Even though today was a shorter day, we actually got through a lot of stuff. So we worked on everything and added things like the blood exposure, part of the license exam, did the predisposition test, highlight, relaxer, strand test, and we also reviewed up until that point. Okay. We just got out of school. I just made this like protein smoothie. So I'm gonna try it because I've never had this kind. Ooh, delish. The rest of today is gonna be pretty boring. And I'm going to this woman's house. She like pays me to make her bed. And then I'll come home. I just got back and it was so funny because she always like gives me extra stuff. Today she was like, I bought a book for you. She's like in her 80s. She's a very sweet lady. Anyway, it's the 5 Love Languages book. Which I think is very popular. I've already taken the test. I know my love languages. I don't read, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna read some of this because I think it's really funny that she got that for me. At least somebody's looking out for my love life. I am about to go on a walk. It's a super like foggy day where I'm at, and I love walking on foggy days, so it's perfect. I just had some brekkie. It was very delicious. Today's class is kind of like the more fun class, I guess. It's usually either open ops or our teacher will like have a little competition for us or like some type of project. So that's today and tomorrow's class. I don't even know the name of this class. Let me figure it out. Cosmetology Advanced Concepts. Today's project was super duper fun. Our teacher had had us pretend we were on the set of a music video shoot, and she randomly generated music artists for each of us, and then we had a certain amount of time to create a hairstyle that we thought went with one of their songs that doesn't yet have a music video. So we had to use our own creativity. I literally forgot that I was recording today. Today's class was really fun. Our teacher, Miss Bianca, always like prepares really fun little things for us. Before that, we actually did a like perm thing. She challenged us all to do a perm within 45 minutes, which whoop whoop, I literally did it right under the wire. And then after that, it was just open operations. I think I'm gonna try to do a short workout. I really don't want to. Good morning. Thursday is my last day of school for the week. We'll see how it goes. So for today, we just had open operations, so I decided to make my mannequin blonde. I did an all over bleach and then I toned it. I also did a few other things like perms and stuff like that. We got out at 12:30 today. I have not washed my hair. Oh my gosh. I literally haven't washed my hair in a week. Fun times. I'm gonna work out. Nice bet.
Done.
Wow, that is so easy.
Yeah. Cameras roasting on an open fire. Chestnuts.
What? Oh my goodness, she's wearing makeup! Friday is my homework day and also a day where I like to do haircuts for people if they want haircuts. So right now I'm going over to this lady's house, haven't seen her in years. After this I have a bunch of errands I'm gonna run, one of which is going to this place called Cosmetology. You can only shop there if you're a student at a cosmetology school or if you have your cosmetology license. I have to get some stuff for my friend's hair color that I'm doing. So that'll be fun. Let's hit the road, Jack. I wanted to show you guys what I brought. It's just like a blunt cut. So I have clips, my shears, a spray bottle, a towel, all-purpose comb. This is my favorite one because it has really wide teeth and then really fine teeth. A drape and a blow dryer. She wanted layers as well, so it wasn't just a blunt cut. We just did it in her garage with the garage door open. Cleany clean. Okay, so yeah, I'm off to Cosmoprof. I have to go to C's to pick up chocolate. I think that's all I have to do. I have a whole list. Okay, so happy Saturday because it's been Saturday for quite a while. My teachers give out homework at the beginning of the week, like Monday, and all of it is due by Sunday night. So I would like to finish all my homework tonight. Where's my water? Oh, I found it. It's right here. I just finished homework, whoop whoop. I thought I'd show you kind of like a little bit how our homework is. Today we had a quiz in this class and then we were looking at skin cancer-y type of things. For my licensure class, we were going over chapter 30, which is kind of like prepping for state board. We had all these things to watch, read, do. We had a discussion question, and then right here we had a test. My Sundays are totally non-cosmetology related, so I thought I'd skip to Monday since it was President's Day, and I actually went and did my friend's hair. I was doing the second round of lightening for my friend who wanted to go blonde. She was originally a super dark level, like a level 2 or 3, and she had balayage previously done. So a couple weeks prior, I had done the first round of lightening and she was able to get to probably like a level 7. So I lightened her whole head again and I used Olaplex. I went from the mids to ends and then I went back into the roots and I used Sweet and Low packets. These really help there not to be any irritation on the scalp. My teachers say to do this, so I do it. I left that on for about 45 minutes and then she went and showered just with shampoo. Then I toned with Wella Color Touch. I did a little bit of a root melt with 7-stroke 1 and 7-stroke 9-7. And then from the mids to ends, I mixed 9-stroke 1-6 and 9-stroke 9-7. And then she shampooed it out and this is how it turned out. I was really happy with it and I was really happy that she let me do this on her. I'm also always documenting my cosmetology school journey on my Instagram, which is at Elisabeth Rose Lives. If you guys are still in cosmetology school, it'd be really fun, especially if you're able to follow along. If you guys have any cosmetology related requests or suggestions or any video requests in general, make sure to let me know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye.